In this video, I'll show you how to expand single and double brackets. We'll go over 3 examples. The first example is 5 times x plus 2, the second is t plus 6 times t minus 1, and the third is y minus 3 squared. So let's copy the first example. These are single brackets. So the general form of a single bracket is a times x plus y. And if we draw this little arrow between a and x, we get the term ax. And if we draw a little arrow between the term a and y, we get the term a times y. So now let's look at our example again. So we draw a little arrow between 5 and x, which gives us 5x. And we draw a little arrow between 5 and 2, which gives us 5 times 2. Now we're almost done, but we can simplify 5 times 2 because that equals 10. Our second example is t plus 6 times t minus 1. In general, the form of a double bracket is a plus b times x plus y. And just as before, we can draw arrows between all the terms. So there's an arrow between a and x, which will give us a times x. There's an arrow between a and y, which will give us a times y. And there's 2 more arrows between b and x, which gives us b times x, and between b and y, which gives us b times y. Now you don't have to remember this general form. What you should remember is that you should multiply all the terms that exist in each bracket with the other one, and you should end up with 4 terms in total. So let's do that. So first we multiply t with t, which gives us t times t. Next we multiply t with minus 1, which will give us minus t. Next we'll multiply 6 and t, which will give us 6t. And finally we will multiply 6 with minus 1. And we can count, there are indeed 4 terms on the right hand side. Let's simplify this. T times t is simply t squared. Minus t plus 6t is 5t. And minus 1 times 6 is minus 6. Finally, let's calculate y minus 3 squared. Notice that y minus 3 squared is y minus 3 times y minus 3. So we are expanding double brackets. As before, we multiply all the terms inside the brackets with all the other terms. So first we have y times y, which is y squared. Then we have y times minus 3, which is minus 3y. Then we have minus 3 times y, which is also minus 3y. And finally we have minus 3 times minus 3, which is 9. Let's simplify this to get y squared minus 6y plus 9. Can you expand the brackets in this expression? Head over to our website to practice with this and more. Thanks for watching, and see you in another Bolster Academy Explains video.